Would you believe a 1,500 rated player could crush an opponent in just 7 moves? Watch this brutal miniature from the Alekhine defense where one simple mistake costs black the game instantly. Let's break it down, move by move. White opens with first move to e4, taking control of the center, and black replies with first move to knight f6, the Alekhine defense, a provocative opening where black immediately attacks the e4 pawn. Idea: black invites white to overextend their center, hoping to counterattack later. White pushes with second move to e5, attacking the knight. Black retreats with second move to knight d5, keeping pressure but giving up central space. Alekhine's defense is all about tempting white to grab space with pawns and then targeting them later. White grabs more space with third move to c4, chasing the knight again. Black responds with third move to knight b6, staying on the queen side. White now has a strong pawn center, and black's knight is on the edge of the board. Not ideal. White locks the queen side with fourth move to c5, forcing the knight back again to d5. At this point, black's knight has moved 3 times in just 4 moves. That's a lot of lost tempo. White develops with fifth move to bishop c4, aiming at the weak f7 square. Now comes a major mistake, fifth move to black knight b4. This is where black goes wrong. Instead of developing normally with something like e6, black tries to harass prematurely. But this knight move weakens black fatally. White instantly punishes with sixth move to queen b3, attacking both the knight on b4 and the weak b7 pawn. It's a classic double attack. Now black is in serious trouble. Black plays. Any attempt to save the knight or defend b7 leads to disaster. Black plays sixth move to e6, trying to defend. But it's already too late. Seventh move to queen cross b4 and black resigns. Why resign? Because now white is a full knight up, has better development and a strong center. The game is completely lost. Lesson: don't bring out your knight early to the edge of the board, especially before developing other pieces or securing the center. This trap punishes greedy or careless knight moves in the Alekhine defense. Keep your pieces coordinated and watch out for queen attacks on b3. Subscribe for more epic traps, game breakdowns, and chess tricks, and turn your blunders into brilliancies. Thanks for watching my video. God bless everyone.